In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can find the next 100x meme coins. And if you're already subscribed to this channel, you already know that I was able to turn 100 USD to over 1000 USD by simply taking advantage of Solana meme coins. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the strategies that I use to find the next 100x meme coins, because this strategy works. And this is one of the strategies that I use to find the next 100x meme coins. So let's dive right into it. And again, I use bots to find these opportunities. For example, you might be wondering, you see with this coin, people turned 1 cent to 31,000 USD, and another one right here turned 6,000 USD to over 36,000 USD simply by doing the same strategy that I'm about to show you. And another example is this guy turned 2,799 to 32,000 USD and stuff like that. And this is one of the strategies that these people use in order to find the next 100 meme coins and stuff like that, because they buy in early before everyone else. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can also do the same and be able to turn like 29 USD to over 1000 USD and stuff like that. So let me explain to you how this works. Each and every day you will get new launches on decentralized exchanges and stuff like that, and 99% of those coins do not make it. Only a few of those coins make it to 1 million market cap, and the whole point is to make sure that you got in as early as possible and have confidence that this will run. You're not gonna be 100%, but at least if you're getting calls from a reliable source, you have at least some hope that this will run because it has worked out before. Now there are places that we can actually find the next 100x meme coins, and there's a little hack that I used to find these alpha calls, and all you need is Telegram and some kind of a bot. And I'm gonna show you how exactly you can set that up and be able to join these groups, because when they call out the coins, you get this kind of run up to the upside, you know what I mean? So let's get straight right into it. So what you want to do is you need to go to Telegram and find this bot called Analyzer bot, and you're just gonna have to start it, and it can ask you to join some groups and stuff like that, but you're just gonna have to start it, right? And click start. So what I do is I pretty much reverse the process, you know what I mean? I go to a coin that has done very well, and I copy the address. Like for example, Wolf is one of the coins that had big pump to the upside, you know what I mean? So these are one of the coins that I actually choose to find these alpha calls, so that I can also take advantage of these calls as early as possible before everyone else. So you're gonna have to copy a contract address like right here, and then you're gonna go back to Telegram, you know what I mean? And you have to do is to paste the address. And what this bot does is amazing, because it actually finds out all code channels that actually called out this coin as early as possible out of all the thousands of code channels on Telegram, you know what I mean? So you can see the timestamp right here, and you can also see ROI, return of investment, and this coin did 11x after it was called out on this channel again. And you can see the name of the channel is called Pulse Gem Calls, you know what I mean? Followed by another channel right here, and you can see that after a call from this channel called Dream Calls 100x, and you can see that they made over 7x, you know what I mean? So this bot pretty much analyzed all the code channels that actually called out a certain coin. And if you join some of these code channels, you can be able to take advantage of these projects as early as possible and be able to make like 11x, 10x in the matter of seconds. So you can see that it has accurate ROI, and also keep in mind that some of these channels don't actually call it early, because for example, you can see this Chinese channel right here called it when this coin was already at 87 million market cap. That's why they made like 80% right here. But some of these channels like Paul James, they call it as early as possible, and they managed to get over 11x. So the bot pretty much calculates where they called it and, you know, the peak of the coin. So if you want to view the channel, you can simply click it right here, like right here, and it's going to take you straight to a channel where the coin was called. And for example, you can see they called it, and they were like another one I bought on Solana and stuff like that, and you can see that it had over 10k views right here, you know what I mean? So people bought it and they made money and stuff like that. And the most important thing is you can actually assess the recent calls. For example, let's say we want to have recent calls from this channel right here. All you have to do is to click where it's written caller text, and it's going to show you pretty much all the calls that have been called on this channel. And you can see that this channel has had over 550 calls. 12 calls managed to get at least 100x from this group only, and at least the 3 calls managed to get from 50x to 100x. And you can also actually see the top calls right here. You know what I mean? You can see that this coin have had over, you know, crazy percentage right here, you know, over 1 million percentage, you know what I mean? So this coin was also called from this particular Telegram call channel. And you can also check the exact timestamp right here. So another thing you have to do is to check the latest calls this week. So it's going to show you all the latest calls that have been called out from this Telegram group this week. All you have to do is to click right here, and it can also show you the top calls for this week by simply clicking right here. So you can also see the return of investments and stuff like that. Like you see, some of those coins already did like 8x, you know what I mean? So this week they called out these calls, and all those calls are in profit. So this is also a reason why we are able to find these meme coins as early as possible by simply taking advantage of these Telegram group calls and stuff like that. Because, you know, when a group called out a coin, you know, they pretty much go and buy it, and another group is going to also call it and they buy it. And when all these groups are buying, you know, they're pretty much pumping the coin to the upside, you know what I mean? So this is a really good strategy that I use to find these 100x meme coin calls. And what I do is I go to Desk Screener and find the best coin that have performed well within maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, and then I cover the contract address and see where the coin was called. And most of times I find out that most of these coins were actually called on one group, you know what I mean? So maybe it would be like 50% of the coins that pumped recently to the upside have been called in one group. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. I hope you're going to take advantage of this strategy, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm if you really enjoy this kind of content, as it motivates me to come right here and, you know, deliver what I know and stuff like that. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. I'm signing up. Don't forget to join our Telegram group, and everything's going to be in the description below as well. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.